Deadlock at 28.
Basic basketball. Basic lang.
Number 4, paso number 23 na walang bola. Nakuha niya pa din. Paso number 4. Paso number 10. Paso number 23. Pull up. Yay! Nakuha na. Nakuha Nino. Philip. 10 seconds to shoot. Paso number 4. Par for 3. Bang!
3 points by number 4. That's
number 11. Out of bounds. Fantasy ball. Number 4. Paso JP Levis. No good. Now on number 6. Out of basket. Number 11. Number 11. Lumipat-lipat. No good. Now on number 10. Number 10. Now on number 6. Good.
Deadlock at 31. All 31.
Paso number 4. Paso number 3. Paso number 4. Number 4. Paso number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass for 3. No good. Number 7. Paso number 18. Paso number 7. Paso number 18. Paso number 4. 3 all drop 10. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni JB. Paso number 3. Pass for 3. Sinay. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 88, paso number 7, number 73, paso number 4, number 4, ginasak, tumira, no good, nakuha din number 4, number 4, paso number 5, wow, one leg shot, no good, nakuha number 88, paso number 6, paso number 88, nawala ang bola. Nakuha na pa din. 10 seconds to shoot. Paso number 88, Parks for 3. Shorty. Oops. Number 1, number 23. Number 4. Paso number. Out of basket number 5. Libre. Goal for 2. Number 6, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 88, pass for 3. Oh, that pass number 7, walang bola, nakuha, nakapada na, pass to number 4, behind the scenes, pass to number 4 ulit, pass to number 3, oh, 3 seconds, violation. Okay na? Okay na ba? Kaya okay na? No good. Tupak is good. Part 2. Ha? Oo. Yung kita. Seconds to play. No good. Pasang na lang po ang inyong makikinig. End of the first half.
Score deadlock at 33.
Hindi ko alam ko doon. Sa kanila,